What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are doing amazing. The weather is freaking beautiful here in Houston, Texas. Just look at it. It is awesome. So today we're going to be installing the Street Aero side skirts. I honestly don't think the install should be that hard. I say this every time though, and then there's always some issue that you would never expect. But let's go ahead and look at the box, see what comes inside of it, jack the car up, drill some holes, and get it on. Hopefully it's not too bad. Take a look at the box. You see you have the side skirts there. I think that's an instruction manual, a bunch of hardware in there. So I got the ones with, I think, just the shark fin. So there's like three options. There's one that doesn't have anything on the side. This one has a triangle, and then there's one that has like a square on the side. I think, to me, these look the most aggressive. So it does come with instructions. That's pretty cool. Street Aero installation guide. They have one for front splitter, side splitter, rear diffuser, a build, and stickers. You already know we love the stickers, guys. I always get really hyped about these stickers, but you see none of them on my car. Look at this mess. This is how it came. It literally came with all the screws and bolts like this. So taking a look at the instructions, line them up under your vehicle. You can choose how far you want them to be, not more than 3 inches. Line them up. Tapping screws to secure. Recommend drilling your screws 5 inches apart. Oh, 5 centimeters apart. No, inches. That is inches. We provide the same amount of hardware every centimeter. Cool, let's go. So if you're looking to purchase this for your Z, the length I ordered was 69.5 inches and it lines up perfectly. What we just did was we measured the distance from here to here. We did 1.25 inches. You can do however much you want it to protrude out. We did 1.25 inches, marked it there. Have it marked all the way here. Same thing here, 1.25 inches. And it lines up pretty evenly across this. Look how dirty my car is. Just look at this. So it lines up pretty well. So we're gonna jack the car up and we should be good to go. So we got the car on jack stands now. We got it all marked up across. So it's gonna be 10 screws on each splitter. So 10 on this and 10 on the other one. I think we're just gonna do a pattern like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just make sure not to cross the line that you've marked. And it says no more than 5 inches apart on the manual. So 10 across. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. So we got all 10 holes, as you can see, running all the way down there. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like right before we put it on now. We finally got one side done. We ran into some issues because, actually let me just show you guys. You can kind of see it, the lighting is really bad, but it looks amazing. It actually looks super good. That fin right there really changes it up. Yeah, you can barely see it on camera because the lighting is so bad. So the issues we ran into were, so this is still sticking out 1.25 inches, but you just have to make the screws further back, because if you make the screws too close to the side skirts, it like starts to tilt up like that. But see, now it's like kind of hanging flush. But we're gonna do the other side and then we'll show you the final product. Finally got both sides installed. It's getting a little chilly here, but just take a look. We gave it a quick rinse, but just take a look. It looks so good. Wow. That looks freaking awesome. Just for comparisons, that's what it looks like before and after. Oh, that looks so good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. You guys like it? I think once we get a splitter and a diffuser, it's gonna go along together so well. Overall, it's not that bad. It took us about 2 hours just because we had to redo the left side, but I think if you do it correctly the first time, you can get it done under an hour, including jacking the car up and back down. Shout out to Street Aero for the dope product. It was a success. It's pretty good. I think this is one of the first times, I mean, there was like, we still have to redo it, but what is one of the first times that I didn't have to like stop and just not do the install at all. If you're looking for side splitters or side skirts for your car, definitely look into Street Aero. And with that, this video is officially over. Shout out to Brennan for the help. See him? Yeah! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps it so much more than you could imagine. Just giving one thumbs up takes like 2 seconds, helps promote the videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all with the next one. Have an amazing rest of your week, guys.